People ask me what I do, and I tell them I taught AI to dance. I turned giant inflatables into a music instrument, and I built a hospital tool that helps people to talk to each other. I design more than screens, I turned ambiguous signals into design behavior. I'm currently building in V0 for an AI powered benchmarking and predictive modeling tool for the fintech space. But how did I get here? It all started when I got into computer science and design at IIIT Delhi and got into HCI. Here's where I learned to iterate and iterate and iterate some more. And I also got into speculative design, which taught me to be thorough, pulling weak signals from today into building something that gets people talking. And of course, to take something and turn it into a peer reviewed publication. Then I met Pranay and Rahul and built my startup with Zura, a gamified product for the fitness space. This entrepreneurial endeavor taught me the real meaning behind going to market with a 0 to 1 product, finding customers that stick, and the sharpness of market fit, tight ownership, bias to action. To learn whatever I lacked as an overall end-to-end product person, I joined Rangde. There, as a product manager, I learned the art of cross-functional product building as I launched their Flutter app from scratch and came up with a monetization strategy by working with finance, marketing, CXOs, and engineering. My technical understanding helped me negotiate deadlines and requirements with engineering teams pretty well. At this point came the AI boom, and I wanted to hop on it. So I took a flight to Georgia Tech, where I built Lumini, a co creative AI tool that dances with you. That led to the world's first collaborative improvised dance performance between humans and AI. This tool increased dancers' self awareness, body, and environmental awareness. I observed, interviewed, and had dancers journal as they used the tool. I could not forget to work with traditional interfaces also, so I started visiting Emory Healthcare and Children's Healthcare of Atlanta with App Hatchery to build LEP application for low English proficiency patients. Here, I learned to build with compliance constraints and designed a tool that reflected the need for contextual conversations with high sensitivity requirements. In parallel, I was swayed by the idea of designing something that turned ambiguity into interactions. So I joined my lab members to build sound clouds that took larger than human interfaces and turned them into a musical instrument in a barn space. The ambient system helped me learn the art of turning constraints into creativity. I took ownership. I played product manager between artists and engineers and presented this at the Night of Ideas with a separate installation at the Cultural Hub of Atlanta. Now I can rely on ambiguous feedback where there are no design guidelines to fall back on. At this point, you must be wondering, I mentioned building a web based tool in the beginning of the video. Where did that come from? Through designing tools with various interaction modalities, I have sharpened my sense of core user intent. I learned to design emotionally intelligent interfaces that feel alive and responsive. My systems thinking is so strong, so I built complex product ecosystems. Overall, my projects have given me intuition for designing collaboration and agency. This directly translates to better handling of features, automations, and decision support. So that's it. That is my journey as an AI product person so far.